Hey, it's Bortone, and I want to show you a few more YouTube tips and tricks. And today I'm going to show you how to add a subscribe button and how to add channel tags. It's always good to have channel tags because that's going to help your SEO, but it's not easy to find where you do that. So let me show you where that stuff is. If you're on your channel here, go to YouTube Studio. You should be on your dashboard. Here's your dashboard. Now scroll down on the left-hand side to settings and click settings. Here's where you can find general settings, channel, upload defaults, and community. Right now we're going to be concerned with channel here. Channel, and under channel basic info, this is where you can add your channel tags or keywords. So these will show up in search for your channel. So obviously I've got video marketing, marketing video, online video marketing, etc. The other thing you can do here while you're at it is in advanced settings, you can set this new set this channel as not made for kids, because if your channel has stuff for kids, you're going to be in a whole different category now that YouTube's got all kinds of different guidelines and stuff. So if you're not making stuff for kids, it's a lot easier to tell YouTube that you're not doing that here. And then finally go to branding, and this is where you can add a subscribe button, what they call a video watermark, to all your videos. So you can see here, if you have an old one, you can remove it or replace it. If you replace it, you just upload a new subscribe button here, and you can decide whether you want it at the end of the video, at a custom start time, or for the whole video. I leave it on there for the whole video because obviously we want to get subscribers to our videos. So that's it. Last time we showed you about upload defaults, where you can pre-populate your description and your tags. That's also helpful, but for this time we're going to be looking at adding channel tags or keywords, and also branding to add the subscribe button. All right, hope this helps. I have plenty of YouTube courses if you need more help, or visit loubortone.com, and bye for now.